convention's over, and now we're starting the day with Duncan, right? Now we're after the beach. We've been started for a while trying to figure out the bags and shit. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Scientology's gone.
Nope, it's still there.
There he is. He's coming around behind the trees.
Yep.
There's Scientology. Should I go join?
Yep,
They'll
they
take
got
me.
the symbol up there and everything. Yeah.
They'll take me.
They'll take. Could be a Scientology.
Oh gosh,
building.
it could be. Scientology. Look at the triangles on the big them. Alligator. Here's where Sam got his alligator heads. No, that's not where he got it, but you. These stairs.
Pero bueno, ya limpié.
Breakfast of champions. You know, I know.
He saw like a glimpse of myself and I was like, oh god.
There we go. Good shots, right? The White Beach is very interesting, though. I guess that's what it is. One of the top-rated beaches in the U.S. Top 5, I think they said. This pink is beautiful, though. That's where I would stay. Look at him just chilling. I run into this pole. I would be the one to just run into the pole, try and take a video of the turtle. It is windy today, though. There are a lot of people.
There are a lot of people here.
Lot of people. Recording at what time? Well, it's very windy. It's very windy. Like that look? Is that what trying to wake up in the morning? Oh, it is a windy here. I don't know. That's so funny. There's 2 trees, and that's where the seagulls are hanging. There's 2 trees on that side. On this side, there's plenty of trees. Damn, look at that alligator floaty you could have had. It's beautiful. All these eyes are so scary. Record our trauma, but look at our luck. Hell yeah. Super flat tire. And there's no spare in the back, so I can't even put the spare tire on. I literally have no idea where there's like 3 full watermelons here. What? Yeah, they got stickers on them. Where the heck did those come from? I want to pick them up. Welcome, little birdies. I broke that watermelon open so they could eat it because it's hard to get into a watermelon. There they are enjoying the first one. You have to find a rock. Here you go, birds. Dun, dun, dun. We'll ask. Oh no.
Yep, I did not.
Okay, there we go. They're doing lawn stuff down there, so it's kind of loud. But what's today? Like the 5th day? Going to the aquarium. Got really sunburned last night, so our cohorts is very sunburned, so we'll see how long they last. But I'm ready to go. So I'm either gonna scoot around or do the river walk more truly tonight for sure. Because then they can relax here and they don't have to go with for that at all. But aquarium, boat ride, and then river walk is all we have planned. Why are there so many History Center stickers on this pole? On just that one too. Oh no, just the next one too. The History Center is right there, but like they're on this side of the road and not the other. How strange. Here we go. Look at this pole. It's got a bunch of the stickers on it too. That's very weird. I'll just hold this for a second.
There's a dude on the corner. Come on, Casey, look at this guy.
Oh shoot. Oh gosh.
He's very hot, so I'm not going to touch him too close.
He's really beautiful. Gotta get my video. Florida aquarium. Heck yeah. I gotta stop doing that. I'm coming. That's not as bad as I thought. Oh, there is a turtle. Oh my god, look at him. Look at that, he's looking at us. He's not.
He is. He's staring at you. He's... I like his little blue beak. I get the water next to
Hello, sir. They're just all on top of each other. The little lemur's got a video recorder. He's video recording us instead. What are they? Right? VIP, very important penguin. Oh my god, it's a sea turtle. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, they're so much bigger than I think. That's so funny.
To the public called the Sea Track. Anybody ages 10 and up will be able to do this.
Oh, he's a little baby.
That's actually a full-grown bonnet.
That's a full grown?
Yep, that's as big as he's gonna get.
God. Shark. You can do it. He's dropped out of the... Oh my god, that's a beautiful little playground. It looks like a bug. That's so funny. How big yours is. I'm jealous. Oh yeah, I have mine.
Notice a lot of shipbuilding activity. We're also protocol. And so that building that we practiced. Inside. Take a look.
There he is, there he is.
Okay, seems to be right over here.
Yep, there he is.
Okay, that's good. He's not diving. That's always a good thing. Okay. Biology lessons. That a mammal is an animal that is the outlook. Look close. You see the tiny little the dorsal fin? Yep. Probably come up again. There's mom. Oh, there's a dog. Real. You might also notice that you don't see a lot of the red hull, which means that this particular cormorant is above the water. Yeah. They can get the fossil
This is where all the really rich people live. I guess that's Davis's. This is where all the really rich people live. Harbor Island over here.
Ontario. Next,
So this is the island we're actually on, but we're obviously not in the expensive part, because there's no way. We're up in the apartments at the top. Yeah, I can't even imagine how expensive that one at the top on the front is. The little lighthouse. Good God. You can't ride a scooter around there, so I can't really explore that much, which kind of sucks. If I could ride the scooter, I'd be down there. So I wish I could get out.
Sahara.
American victory. No, they're pretty gross. Look at these. Oh, they're so ugly. They're funky. Oh god.
They're dragons. Emo clownfish over here. He's just got the orange peel man right here.
The bird show just got moved to the Mosaic Center, so we're going over here. Oh yeah, the penguins.
Are you ready? Your cousins see that? There are a few different ways to tell them
He
apart.
is a big boy.
Probably
Oh.
the easiest way is if you look at kings. That's because Harris's hawks are one of the most commonly used birds for those programs. And there's actually a couple reasons why.
But he's big. Oh, it's so cold.
These ones right here.
Oh. Oh no.
No.
Casey, we need one of these. I think he's waiting.
Must be
for
food time. Look at him. Feeding time's happening soon. He's ready. Fly bug. Looks like a bug. Bugs. We can't even see the manta ray. There he is. Woo. Oh, they have little concerts here. Cute.
Oh yeah, she only usually eats a few, so...
Yeah, 3 or 4 is about it. Come in, I don't think you can go in there.
Must be a...
People energy.
You want that child to not be a dick where they're talking like downtown Tampa's super easy to navigate.
We're really doing our best to get lost on the Riverwalk. Or to the Riverwalk? Around the detour on the Riverwalk.
Water taxi.
Still the water taxi. Should have written on it just for fun.
It does say ask her.
It does say Ask Crew. 2002. Nice.
By their demographics before their actual writing. It's like this gate.
That must be the University of Tampa. That is a funny building.
I want
Oh, I have no idea. The amphitheater was kind of cool, but there was hooligans sitting in there, so we didn't do anything. Just wait so you guys aren't in the video. No worries, no worries. I want to see these lights turn on because these trees will be lit up then. Not on fire, but lit up. This is just like a whole big thing. Curtis Hickson Waterfront Park, City of Tampa. That's where we just were with all the trees and stuff. Look at the lovely clouds. Everyone's mango.
I'm gonna go upstairs to one of those top buildings.